Need to freeze your location on Life360 without alerting your circle? Here's how you can do it. First, open your phone settings and find the 360 app under App Permissions. Turn off location access completely. Life360 will show your last known location, making it seem like you are stuck there. Another method is enabling airplane mode. If you want a temporary freeze without tweaking settings, turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data also helps keep your location from updating in real time. If Life360 shows a location paused error, just restart the app after turning permissions back on. Would you ever freeze your location? Tell me why in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.